we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of BEOUSG, 5 liters, top fill ultrasonic humidifier. Consists of the following features. With a sleek vertical design, 3.15 x 3.15 x 11.42 inch, this humidifier fits discreetly in any bedroom or large living space. Its 5 liters tank provides up to 36 hours of continuous moisture, covers 505 square feet, so you can enjoy long-lasting comfort without frequent refills. Using advanced ultrasonic technology, it emits a fine 5 micrometer mist that disperses evenly and quickly relieves dryness. Quiet enough for nighttime use, less 32 decibels, it won't disturb sleep. An empty tank indicator, red light plus sound alert, and automatic shutoff after 9 seconds ensure safety and peace of mind. Set your ideal humidity level between 45 to 90% in 5% increments, and let the built-in sensor maintain it automatically. Choose from 3 mist levels, P1 to P3, and program the timer from 1 to 12 hours for effortless, around-the-clock comfort. Adjust settings easily using the intuitive control panel or the included remote. A short press on the leaf icon cycles through mist levels, while a 4-second hold toggles the ambient light on or off. The 7-color LED lighting lets you set the perfect mood in any room while the humidifier works quietly in the background. Keep your humidifier fresh with minimal effort. The wide top opening and removable mist nozzle allow thorough cleaning inside. With a smooth, corner-free base and an included cleaning brush, no area is hard to reach, ensuring healthy mist and reliable performance over time. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.